Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I'm super excited to be introducing my newest digital kit to you. It is a 43-page botanical collage and cluster mega pack. As many of you are already familiar, I have a fall collage and cluster mega pack and a winter one, and you guys absolutely love it. So now we have it in botanicals. It's a neutral and green base kit. So although there are some colors in there, it is mostly all neutral and green, so that will work. So it'll work with all of your botanical, nature, summery, mushrooms, even, sort of projects. I designed it thinking of collage and clusters. So when we get to these pages here, I call these my swatches as I'm designing them. And they were initially intended for you to rip up bits of it and use it for collages and for making clusters and such. However, many of you took the swatches and you folded it and made really beautiful flippy, flappy journals and trifolds and that sort of thing, which is super cool. So I designed these to be torn as standalones, but I kind of kept that in mind because I think you guys are probably going to want to make more trifolds. So we have 9 pages of swatches. They all coordinate very beautiful together. Super happy with how it turned out. I made sure to leave bits where there's no focal point. So although I have some focal here, there are sections that you can just get some script or just some leaves and that sort of thing. And same here with the script here. You could tear that and put your own focal point on there and such. We have some beautiful ferns, lots of leaves. I think this is one of my favorite pages. I absolutely love it. So pretty. I'm super excited about the yellow one. I'm just about done right now. It is awesome. I really like this one too. It's so grungy. We've got some mushrooms in there. So lots of greens and neutrals. This is super pretty. And then we move into the tea cards. Perfect for building clusters and using as your focal point. And as I always do, I provided in a large, a medium, and a small size. And then in some things, if I want to fill up the page, I'll even give it to you a little bit smaller. So once you print these out, that's it. You'll have every size that you need for any project you might be working on, which is why I do it. You could look at them as bonus pages. There's some more tea card here, and then just different pieces, cigarette cards there. Different bits of ephemera for focal points. All of this has been designed with authentic illustrations and images and such. And these are just super cool. Oh, I kind of got it backwards here. Large. These are just super cool focal points / labels. I really like them. There's some that go horizontal and some vertical, which is handy. And then, of course, as I always do, I just fill in all the little bits of white spaces with labels and such. So we got some cool green labels there. This is the same page in a medium and a small, but these are new labels. These are super cool. I really like them. And then we have some photographs of some mushrooms and then a smaller size, and just some florals and botanicals here. And we're about to move into some of the ephemera, which you see right here, but here's just a few focal points. Little bits of ephemera. Now we're moving into green ephemera. So here's some more focal points and the smaller sizes. I just absolutely love these. Look at the frog. It's a little froggy. Yeah, and that's super pretty. Cricket. I love this. And the birdie. Yeah, really pleased with how it all turned out. And then we have some green and some neutral numbers for your collaging, and then some brown neutral bingo cards. Some green ephemera. Now we're kind of moving into ones that don't have focal points. So just like script and interesting typography and numbers and ads and such. There it is in the smaller sizes. I love this. It's super cool. Like, look how beautiful this. You could tuck this is. You could tuck this under there, put a ticket on it, focal point, done. Beautiful cluster. Smaller sizes. So pretty. And again, I'm just putting little labels wherever there's white space, so you get as much bang for your buck as possible. Really love this page because you can fill in your own information here, maybe with stamps and here, which is really cool. Really like that too. So lots of pretty greens for your clusters and such. And now we move into the neutrals. There's some green labels, new green labels in the white spaces. Really pretty. I tried to get lots of different tones, so it just really pops. Smaller sizes. A lot of the ephemera is the same as the green, but it's just changing color. These are little snails. I love that so much. And this is really pretty. Yes, it's awesome. A few focal points in here just to fill the white space. And then we move into fussy cuts. So we have the botanicals, we have mushrooms, we have a birdie. I made them nice and big so you could make really cool collage or clusters that are just like on your page edges, and or your big tags or such. And I've got the backing behind it, so there's no really bright white when you're fussy cutting them out. And there they are in the smaller sizes. And on this one, these mushrooms are new. They weren't on here. They're just introduced on the smaller size page of the others. And then we have some butterflies and some more birdies. And then we have lots of labels. We have the neutral labels. Really love these a lot. Some tickets. And then here they are in the green with some new green labels. And we have these. Super cool. They're one of my favorites in this kit. Really like them. And there they are in green. And then we have some other labels. Some super cool wax seals. And then there they are in green with some smaller size of the labels that were a few pages back. And the rest of the labels there. And that is it, you guys. That is the 43-page Botanical Collage and Cluster Mega Pack. There will be a yellow, red, pink, blue, purple add-on kit for this. The Etsy listing for this one will be listed below, and I will update it and put, as I get the add-ons, I'll add it to this flip through of this kit here. The design team is just starting to roll out cool projects that you can make using this kit. So if you haven't already subscribed to them, you can find their YouTube channel listings, or link I should say, down below. And yeah, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.